Hello friends. Today we have an Acer monitor for repair. The problem is that it does not turn on and the blue indicator is on. You can also hear clicking sounds if you listen carefully. If you look closely, you can see that the monitor is trying to start up, but something is preventing it. Current consumption is from 0 to 1 ampere. Let's disassemble and look for the cause. First, you need to remove 2 plugs on the left and right sides. Then unscrew 4 screws. Then you need to open the monitor case with a plastic spatula. Then remove the control button plug. I see that the monitor was disassembled before me. There is damage to the factory film, and 3 screws are missing. I replaced this MOSFET, and now we will check the monitor operation. Before replacing the MOSFET, I found that the voltage sags on the capacitors on the 5-volt line. After replacing the left MOSFET, the voltage sags. The voltage sags only when you connect a small board. Without it, there are no sags. I started ringing the MOSFET pins and comparing the readings with each other, and on one MOSFET the pins were shorted. I came to the conclusion that this MOSFET was broken and replaced it. I assembled a little monitor for testing and let's see. As you can see, the image appeared. As you can see, I have already assembled the monitor completely, and it is now in working condition as before. As a result, the problem was only in the MOSFET. If you have the same symptoms that I had, then most likely the problem is in the same MOSFET. I also observed voltage drops on the high voltage line. The drop was about 5 or 7 volts. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.